Hey guys, good morning. Merry Christmas. I just woke up now and I just decided to do this intro for you guys. Today is December 25th, 2020. Finally, it's Christmas Day and the time is 6:34. I actually set an alarm for 5 o'clock and when you rang. And then I went back to sleep. So I'm just about to bake my Christmas chicken. I'm just going to turn on the oven and just pop the chicken in the oven. And I also have pork to bake as well. I'm just going to be showing you guys. So I'm setting the time for 5 hours. So this is my pork here. I have pork ribs from Costco, and this is my turkey. I'm just going to pop it into the oven now. So this is my turkey. I'm just going to pop it into the oven now. And this is my ribs. I don't know if I should be baking both of them side by side, or I should just bake it one after the other, but this is going into my oven right away. Yeah, buddy. So guys, this is my turkey. It's pretty much cooking. This is like after 2 hours, so I just want to flip it over to the other side and have it cooked. I know even if I don't flip it, it's going to cook, but I feel like the top is getting dry. Oh. Okay, so I just realized I haven't given you guys an update. Anyways, I've been speaking to my siblings at home. I spoke to literally everybody, but I couldn't speak to one of my eldest brothers. You guys, well, maybe let me not say you guys know, but my eldest brothers are twins. So I spoke to one of the twins. I didn't speak to the other one. I wasn't able to get through to him, but I spoke to all my brothers. I spoke to my mom. I spoke to my nieces and nephews, and to my niece and nephew. I couldn't speak to my other niece because I wasn't able to get to my brother, and at the moment I'm having noodles. This was noodles from last night. I lost my appetite all of a sudden, so I just said I'm going to have it as breakfast now. My chicken is still cooking or baking. What's the time? I think it's past 8. My jollof rice is almost ready. I'm just trying to, do everything early today so that I can rest. Although we're supposed to go out today, we're supposed to go see a friend who had her baby a couple of months back, and I think that's about it. When I'm done cooking, I'll probably have my bath and try to catch some sleep, because even if my alarm woke me up by 5 o'clock and I stopped the alarm, I still didn't really sleep because I kept on waiting. Like, my mind was consciously waiting for the next alarm to ring, so it kind of deprived me from sleeping the remaining 1 hour. So guys, I'll let you know when the chicken is done. The pork is still cooking. I don't know if I should take out the pork because it's like on the top layer of the oven. I just feel like it's not hitting it, but I know it is. But I'm just going to leave it there till when the chicken, when it's 5 hours, and yeah. Hey guys.
Your name is there. Your name is there too.
So I'm eating.
No, it's our last name.
Hey guys, so I'm on my way out now. Yay, it's my red hair. Decided to pack it so I can wear the hood on my jacket. I'll see you guys when I get wherever I get to, or I'll see you guys when I'm back home. so I just got back now. I'm just trying to pack up things, like all the food left over. So I'm just going to do that, quickly shower, and I'll probably just end this vlog here because I don't think I have like any other thing to add to this vlog. So but if I will add something else to this vlog, I will let you guys know. But at the moment, back. So I'll see you guys. Yeah, you can see my leftover turkey. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Merry Christmas, and if I don't say Happy New Year to you guys before it's January 1st, Happy New Year, guys.